student. Welcome to the 11th episode of Learning Python Programming. I am happy to see you guys thoroughly following our series and continuing with your Python learning journey. Your hard work motivates us to come up with new videos every week. Today, we will learn what a conditional statement is.
Welcome students to next chapter, that is conditional statements. In this chapter, we are going to study an important concept of Python, that is conditional statement. Let's look into it. Can you guess what is a condition generally? Here is an example scenario. Teacher announced that if any students who will score more than 90 marks in maths will be having gift hamper. Here, teacher put a condition, that is, to get a gift hamper, students have to perform well and score more than 19 maths. So we will be facing so many conditions in our day-to-day life too. Similarly, we use conditions while writing codes in Python. We can add conditions if we have to control the flow of the program or if we want to involve some decision-making process. That is, we have to execute certain lines of statements when the condition is true and execute another line of code when the condition is false. Such type of decision-making process is done with the help of conditional statements. As you can see in the image, a condition is made using if-else statement. If the condition is true, it will run all lines of if block. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then it will run the lines of else block. Here is an example. In this example, we are comparing two numbers, that is 30 and 10. If statements is checking the condition 30 greater than 10, if this is true, the program should print true. And if the condition is false, then else block should print false. We use some comparison operators with if-else statements, and here they are. Till then, happy learning.
A conditional statement. This reminds me of my school days when my teacher told me that she would buy me chocolate if I scored more than 80 in maths. Conditions are indeed everywhere. I would like to share my condition with you. You can become a great developer if you follow our videos and practice coding every day in Clever's AI Labs. Here is how you can log in to Clever's AI Labs and write your own code. Step 1. Visit www.ailabs.com. Step 2. Click on Click Here to sign up and enter your details. Step 3. After registering, you will receive verification email. Once you verify your email, you will get the credential to log in and start creating your first Python project. Happy coding!